one. Beautiful. Beautiful fish. Look at this one. That was a tough fish. The fish was tangled up in everything. The line wrapped around it like a noose. It hooked itself in the tail. It snapped my lure. No, it snapped the line. I'm bleeding. The fish is alive, baby. The fish is okay. About to eat some breakfast, then catch more fish in different ways. Hopefully different fish. The bowels are closing in again. Oh well. The bowels are closing in again. Oh well. I've seen some things I thought I never saw, covered in hair. He's feisty. Look at this one. Look at that. Is that amazing?
Yes, I understand that every